Oh my God, no. Stupid camera, turn around.
Tornado emergency for Bristol, Croydon, and Burlington. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Beverly, or 12 miles southwest of Trenton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Bristol, Croydon, and Burlington. This is a zero particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Bensalem, Ewing, Willingboro, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Bordentown, Pennington, Beverly, Yardley, Tullytown, Linghorn, Washington Crossing, Windsor, Florence Roebling, Woodside, Edinburgh, Whitehorse, and Andalusia. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 6 and 6A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 353 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 30-40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 95 in New Jersey between mile markers 57 and 76. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado has been confirmed. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may... Flash flood warning remains in effect until 11:45 p.m. this evening for western Mercer, southwestern Morris, western Somerset, Hunterdon, eastern Warren, and eastern...
Holy shit.
At 6:15 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing...
Did they really just... Oh my God, and now there's a flash flood emergency?
The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the...
Holy crap.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, law enforcement reported. Impact.
I cannot believe that I am catching these.
Urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
Guys, if there's anybody watching this video right now, and you're in this, and you're in the path of the tornado or the flash flooding, do the right thing. Go to the basement. This is not, they ain't joking if they're issuing a tornado emergency. There's no, no. Holy crap. I literally, I'm speechless. I am speechless that I just caught that.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flash flood warning remains in effect until midnight tonight for eastern Mercer, Middlesex, southeastern Morris, Somerset, and east central Hunterdon counties. At 6:43 p.m., automated rain gauges...
Oh my God.
Heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
Dude. I know I said I was going to take a shower and figure out what I wanted to do for dinner, but... Oh my God. This stuff's getting real. Stay safe, everybody. Pilgrim EAS. I'll be back soon, I guess. Peace.